Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor GTV. If you ain't watching me, then what y'all doing, period, y'all. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. It's been a minute, but I'm back, okay? So it's Valentine's Day. If y'all have a Valentine, I hope y'all are experiencing a good day with y'all loved ones, whether, you know, like it's y'all significant other, y'all's mom, dad, sisters, brothers, cousins, girlfriends, guy friends. Like, this day is not just about, or it's not just for couples, it's for everybody. Like, spread love, give love, be love. That's all it's about, y'all. So that's like my little powerful quote, or my little affirmation or inspirational quote of the day, okay? So before we get to this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, because y'all know this video's coming back to back, period. Yeah, my family is so loud. But this Valentine's Day, I'm spending it with my gals, some of my cousins, her friends, my sister. It's lit. We're gonna have a girls game night, Valentine's game night, and it's going down. So the theme is Valentine's Day pajamas. So these are mine. It says, "I love you, boy, EXO." It got XOXO on it. It's really cute. What Beyonce say, "I love you, boy, EXO." Okay, so that's what I'm giving. I got my little red Christmas headband, but it's okay, I still look cute. So I'ma just holler at y'all whenever I get to my cousin's house. So yeah.
Yeah, you can keep it, this getting deeper and deeper. I dig it, my shit won't be, and I was broke, had to fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with a fish. I hit the day, by tomorrow she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the pose, so I get the prescription. Walk around with them bands, and I bet you this gun ain't gon' jam, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin', but I'll send the hit while I chill with my children. Big in the business, the big in the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I
Valentine's was late. It's like a couple days later. Today is Friday. So our Valentine's was litty. Like, I always have a good time with my cousins. Like, our game nights and girls nights to be the absolute best. So I hope all y'all enjoyed y'all's day, honey, because we had a wonderful time. But this vlog was not that long, so now I am going to take y'all into a week in my life, a week before Valentine's Day, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for this vlog. It's already edited, so I'm just gonna add it to this vlog now. Hey y'all, welcome back.
Hey y'all. Sorry about my helmet on the matter.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Taylor GTV. If y'all ain't watching T, then what y'all doing? If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing? If y'all new here, y'all already know. If y'all are returning, y'all already know that's how I start my vlogs. If y'all ain't watching me, then what y'all doing? Me, T, whatever. But if y'all are new here, hey y'all, welcome. So this is my second vlog of January, y'all. I'm behind, but I'm catching up. It's been a whole lot of, but I got y'all. This is gonna be a weekly vlog. We gonna get into it. So before y'all even watching my video, I'm gonna need y'all to subscribe. Like, press the subscribe button right now, period. Okay, so now that y'all done did that, me and my little girl, she's all natural today. She's all natural with the pony. Don't play with her.
To my house.
But this weekly vlog is gonna consist of many different things. It's Friday, baby, I got a job. I'm not like Friday and Smokey that don't got no job but don't got nothing to do.
Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
But it's Friday, it's been a long week, and it calls for a drink, yo. It calls for a drink, and I want some seafood. I want fiery crab. This is like our New Orleans version of juicy crab. So I'm here. We about to go on in, get my food, and come back.
Yeah, look at my wallpaper.
All right, y'all gonna see when we go inside.
I got a clue, bro.
Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave, but that girl.
Yo, so we home. About to eat. Yeah, it's so good.
Oh, with noodles, bro. This is good.
That is so good. I'm so hungry.
That's so good. Can't hear nobody.
It's busting. Okay?
It's dribble.
Y'all better get talking to these.
What's that?
A seafood boil.
For what?
Fiery crab.
A few minutes later.
So yo, I'm inside and I ate my food. Yo, that seafood bowl was busting. So now it's about to be a movie night with my mama. We're about to watch You People, the new movie on YouTube. I mean on Netflix with Lauren London, and I can't wait because my girl is back. Nunu is back. Okay. So it's the new movie on Netflix. This is not a sponsored video. So y'all, I suggest y'all watch it because I'm very excited. But before I do that, y'all, guess what I got? My selfie lights. Yo, the viral Amazon selfie light for your phone. Like, it's giving let me show you what the light's off though. Like, yo, it's giving for real. Like, this is gonna come in handy. The video phone. So this is just what I needed. I'm bucked up about it. So I suggest y'all get one of these whenever it come back in stock because I love it. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to just watch some movie around with it, and I'm gonna come back, you know.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my own phone. I should call one and go home.
So yo, me and my mama day drinking, yo.
Yeah, that's the game, yeah.
We're day drinking. We got our daiquiri. Our shot.
Oh, yeah. I hope they do anyway. They play their ass on this shit. They look good.
Let me boomerang it right quick. I sure will. I'm about to say hell.
I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so.
So yo, we got the screwball and the peach colada mix.
much, I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love.
I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that. B-Day.
She love it.
That's a badass little motherfucker.
Yes, girl.
But now we're gonna get a watch.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, y'all. So we inside. We still got our drinks, so we gotta come home. And we about to take another shot. Yo, I had to put ice in mine. I got a lemon. I'm not gonna do the salt. I was gonna do the salt, but
Sorry for the delay. Yeah. Okay. You don't have to walk on eggshells about the best man. Please, you are indeed. I am.
you ain't drink it. That's ice in there. Oh my god. That was good. Y'all can't. And we about to play spades.
Room and airfare were covered, but babysitters and resort were alone. Honestly,
we about to play spades while we watching The Best Man final chapters. We watched it like 8 times, so we watching it again. That was really sad because I'm black and don't know how to play spades. So my mom had to put me on so I could play and know how to play. So it's lit. So it's like I have to use this for lighting, but it's like a couple days later and my brother is in town. Yeah, it's like a couple days later, but my brother is in town and we're going to eat. I have to use this for lighting, y'all, but we're about to go eat at New Orleans Food and Spirit. I really want some salmon and a drink. So he's about to go get my sister-in-law Sam, and we about to roll. Yeah, y'all just gonna come with us. I told y'all this vlog is everywhere, y'all. But yeah.
Oh, you fill me up.
Till
They got a song called I Fit Inside There. Oh, wow. I fit in there.
Wow. Tell the vlog about it.
What's that vlog?
Yeah, my brother is here.
Boy, Jackie Robinson, the dog.
That boy said Jackie Robinson. That's a whole baseball
So we know it's Sam.
I mean, Smokey Robinson. Smokey Robinson.
Waiting on Sam. The slow poke so we can go eat.
You don't remember? Y'all don't.
B-Day.
Who joined us? Oh my god. Look who joined us. So cool. Y'all vlog without. It's good. I gotta drink it. My sister can't drink. Ooh. So we're having a little girls' day. Look at my leaf. Hold on. Even though y'all see already. Say hey.
You about to get on this side?
But baby. Y'all, this is so good. So we just waiting on our food.
She's grown.
You know the one thing? Ooh, it's yummy. Oh, you don't.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you.
Corey Towns, y'all.
I'm just saying I can be.
Yo, so like that's really the end of the vlog, this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because you already know these videos coming back. Period.